Hi everyone, welcome to the first video of the Unskilled Beautician. Today I'm going to be taking you through a 4-step makeup process that's just kind of really good if you want to throw something on your face because you're just like running to the grocery store but you don't like how you look today, or you're learning to experiment, or you're like me and you're just not really good at makeup. I do have a small mirror right here that I will be double checking in a lot of the time just because the computer screen doesn't always show everything on my face. But that's just for me. All right, so to start, I use a BB cream. I use the Maybelline Pure BB in Ivory. It is up to you what brand you want to use. This one's just the one that I found works best for me. Put a little bit on, I like the first 2 fingers, and then rub between them so they hit about the first 3 fingers, and then you hit about 4 or 5 areas. I like to do forehead, each cheek, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. But it's up to you where you think your most troubled areas are. Usually you can focus on those. And then you take your fingers and you just start blending. Everywhere, all over. Really rub it in. Hide everything. I'm going to look in the mirror really quick. Perfect. Awesome. So, after that, I like to use a foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me stick. Again, in Ivory, but, find something that works for you. I take the stick, hit the same spots that I hit on with my BB cream, and then same thing, take your fingers and just start going at it. Everywhere under in those dark circles, all over your face. Really rub it in there so it kind of just gives you a nice even tone. One thing about this, it isn't going to cover all your dark spots. It's not going to cover all your acne. What it is going to do is it's going to reduce the look of redness and reduce the look of those dark spots so they don't appear as dark and as prominent. The reason I say this isn't something you want to wear to a big event. This is something you want to wear just day to day, just to kind of cover and reduce the look so you have like a more natural makeup look. Okay, so after that, I like to do my eyes. So I have the Maybelline Nudes palette. You can tell it's been well loved. For today, I'm going to be using this color right here. It's kind of just like a light brown, goes in. I use one color on my eyes in this situation just because I'm lazy. And again, not very good at blending, but that's the whole point of these videos. All right, so I just kind of go around. When you have more product, it's a little easier to get it up, but in this case, I don't. And you just kind of start rubbing on. Make sure you get all over in your crease. Don't want to leave any little white patches. Don't really go too much higher than your crease because then it just starts looking like you covered your eye in this brown glittery pattern. And that can look awkward. Alright, double check the mirror. Cool. Same thing on the other side. Just kind of go at it. I like to start at the bottom almost like a really thick layer of eyeliner and work my way up, but however you want to apply it is best for you. I just find this way I don't go too crazy in my upper eye, and it just works better for me. Checking that little mirror right there. Best investment ever. Okay. Perfect. Awesome. So, after that, I do mascara. I like the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, the orange tube. It's been my favorite for a while. Of drugstore makeup, it's fantastic. What can I say? I switched over from Maybelline and just kind of coat your lashes in this nice. It's super thick. Get them super voluminous and pretty. And then the bottom. This is not something I trust with the computer screen. Foundation I can do for the most part. Eyeshadow I can start with and change and fix. The mascara, you go wrong, it goes down. Alright. Get a little product off the end. And up. I also really like the brush on this one. It's super easy. It looks like a really nice, I'll show you guys in a second, just mascara wand. And I feel like it really coats all the lashes really, really well. Alright, so if you look at it, it's just kind of super cool. The spokes on it aren't too long, but they catch a lot of product, which is really nice. Kind of go back over, make sure they look okay. Awesome. Cool. And that. And then after that, if you want, you can end it with your favorite lip color. I'm using the Chapstick Total Hydration in Rose Petal. It's tinted. And I just kind of throw it on there. But that's optional. You don't have to. I'm just doing it because, you know, I need chapstick. Okay, so that is it for my first video. Just a disclaimer, I don't get any kickbacks or anything from mentioning certain products. Those are just what I happen to personally use. And I think that's it. Next week, I will be showing you guys how to use your nudes palette to do a lot more than just your eyes. So, have a good day, and thanks for watching.